Hi, I'm Nikayla and this is Sierra and we're on a boat. Today we're going to talk to you about Thermaflex Plus Metallics. So Sierra, what is this stuff anyway?
Well, Nikayla, Thermaflex Plus Metallics offers much of the same great benefits as Thermaflex Plus, but with added metallic look. Like regular Thermaflex Plus, it's only 100 microns thick. It has a strong grip and it offers a soft finish and is very flexible.
Cool. That's great. So where can I use it?
Thermaflex Plus Metallics will work on pretty much anything. This includes cotton blends, cotton poly blends, polyester blends, linen, wool, and lycra.
And that makes me wonder, what colors do it come in?
As of right now, it comes in 6 colors. This includes variations of silver, gold, graphite, and copper. It's a great complementary item to the other full line of Thermaflex Plus.
Oh, that's a cool idea about mixing the colors. And what about layering?
You can layer this with any product, but it has to be used as a top layer.
Awesome! Well, there you have it, folks. That is Thermaflex Plus Metallics. To purchase this, please visit our website, heattransferwarehouse.com.